This video is a short introduction to the work of Dale Borglum and his upcoming Tibet House US Menla online offering. To learn more, please visit our website at menla.org.
Hi, this is Dale Borglum. My other name is Ramdev. I lived in India with Ram Dass at the feet of Nim Karoli Baba. And a while back I taught a workshop at Menla with Bob Thurman on the Tibetan Book of the Dead. This is a short introduction to who I am in case you wanted to come to one of my workshops. A lot of what I teach has to do with caregiving, a spiritual practice, conscious support for the dying, and an overview of the entire Buddhist meditative path from Hinayana all the way to Dzogchen. I, for many years, have been the executive director of the Living Dying Project. It's the first organization in America that actively promoted conscious dying. Back in the 1970s, Stephen Levine, Ram Dass, and I began the conscious dying movement in the West. I ended up being the executive director of a place in Santa Fe called the Dying Center, which was the first residential facility in America to allow people to come free of charge. We took care of them and supported them in working towards a conscious death. That closed after a few years. I moved back to the Bay Area, where I am now in California, running the Living Dying Project. We have community-based volunteers that I have trained, people that go out into the community and offer free of charge one-to-one spiritual support to people who are dying. One of my main passions is exploring the parallels between stages of early childhood development, how somatic energy work, how the unfolding of the Buddhist yonic path and the awakening of the chakras are really all saying the same thing. So sometimes we can work with somatic experience, sometimes more mental, sometimes more devotional. So I love coming to Menla. It's such a great place. I would love to come there and to have some time to spend with you. I'm going to be teaching a workshop at Menla on 5 Wednesday nights starting May 20th called Tools for Spiritual Healing During a Time of Uncertainty. Can we learn to be with uncertainty without moving into anxiety? Can we find tools, embodied awareness, compassion practices, so that we can be with uncertainty and move into being present, move into compassion for all beings, not just for ourselves? We will be using guided meditation. There will be some interactive guided practices, and I hope that we can all be together then. I've got a website, livingdying.org. It's the best website on the web for information about conscious dying. We have a lot of text files, guided meditations, lectures, stories about our clients, and just a lot of resources that are available there. We have a lot of programs here in the Bay Area. There's also online education, an online interactive workshop, a training workshop that you could sign up for that teaches how to be a compassionate caregiver, how to support someone in moving towards conscious death. I look forward to seeing you. Take care. Stay safe.
This video was brought to you in part through the generous support of the Tibet House US Menla Retreat membership community. To learn more about the benefits of membership, please visit tibethouse.us.